Continuing on in our rational functions lesson, we are going to focus this time on horizontal asymptotes. Now, horizontal asymptotes is part 4 of your gizmo, and you should have been looking at the degree of the numerator versus the degree of the denominator. So we always look at the unsimplified form for that. So right now, the degree of our numerator is 2, and the degree of our denominator is also 2. So let's go down to our horizontal asymptote. So if the degree on the numerator, which is 2 in our case, and the degree of the denominator, which is 2 in our case, are the same, then there is a horizontal asymptote. Now, to find the horizontal asymptote, basically we take our unsimplified form of our function and we look at the leading coefficients. So our function is 1x squared with the rest of it over 1x squared with the rest of it. So our leading coefficients are 1 and 1. So what we are going to do is basically take our leading coefficients and divide them. So our horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equals 1. Now, if the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote would be at y equals 0. If the degree of the denominator is larger than the one on the denominator, then there would be no horizontal asymptote, and it's possible that there will be a diagonal asymptote, which we will talk about in the following weeks. Okay, so let's look at our function on the back. So our function on the back has a degree 2 over a degree 2, and our leading coefficients are 2 and 4. So I'm going to write this out. Degree 2 over degree 2 would mean yes, there is a horizontal asymptote, and it is at y equals 2 over 4, which is y equals a half. So you should see a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1/2.